everyone, welcome to my channel. I have today this box from Ulta that is totally already open because I needed to use a couple of things that I got today and they're on my face right now. But like, I wanted to show you all what I got and like talk about some of the stuff. Some of it's like just items that I use like every day, like primers and stuff, and like stuff that I like in the summertime. And like, I know it's March, but like I live in LA, so pretty soon it's gonna be like layout by the pool season, so I wanted to like get ready for that, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump right in. First is this Origins Mega Mushroom Mist. I usually use their toner from the same line, and I looked through like the ingredients and they're pretty much identical, so I got this one to try because it's like a mist instead of in like a bottle that I had to like pour into my hands. It's super convenient. Honestly, I feel like it's called the Mega Mushroom Lotion. I feel like that one works a little bit better for redness, but I think that's just because it's like more concentrated or something, where this is like really lightweight and dewy, but it's still super refreshing. It smells amazing. I love it. It's so good. I like that since it's like a mist, I can put it like over my makeup too if I want to just like refresh it. But yeah, love this stuff. It is a favorite. I will definitely be repurchasing it. Next I got my favorite mascara, which is, it's so funny. This is like $4. It's by Essence. It's their waterproof Lash Princess. I have tried a lot of like high-end mascaras, a lot of drugstore mascaras, and this one is my favorite. This has like the most stackable effect. Like whenever I make my bottom lashes like long and pointy, this is what I use to shape them. It just works really well. It doesn't get all like crumbly and gross. It doesn't irritate my eyes. Like it's so good. I highly recommend. And like, look at how cute that packaging is. Like, it's adorable. So cute. Next I got the e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer, which is on my face right now, with niacinamide. I had used the normal, like the original Hydro Grip, Power Grip, whatever it's called, primer, and it worked really well. This, honestly, it works exactly the same in my opinion, but there's niacinamide in it, which is like really good for like hydrating the skin. And it's also pink, so I'm probably gonna continue getting this version instead of the original, like literally just because it's pink and black, and I love that. Next I got these Ulta water lip stains. I have the pink one on right now. These are super great. They're super lightweight. Like they literally feel like water. And since it dries like very matte and stains the lips, it doesn't smudge. Like I can eat with it. It lasts me all day. It's waterproof. It is everything proof. Like I love these. So good. And they're the Ulta Beauty brand, so they're like super affordable too. And then since I got stuff from the Ulta Beauty brand, I also got this little like pouch, which is super exciting because it's full of like makeup and stuff. Oh my god, there's a hair in my mouth. Ew. Okay. But yeah, no, it's like pink. It's like this really soft quilted material. It has all kinds of goodies in it. It has this cute little like pink makeup sponge, which is good. I always need more makeup sponges because mine get gross really fast. There is, what else is in here? There's so much. There are these two little eyeshadow quads. Oh my god, the light is reflecting on them. Let me see if I can like show you guys these a little better if I like block my ring light. Yeah, one has like pinks and browns, and then the other one has like greens and like earth tones, which I thought would be really good for like springtime and also for like a 420 shoot. I'm probably gonna use this green one for that. But like they're super cute, they're compact, they're gonna be good for like traveling with, and they were literally free. Like all of the stuff in this bag was just like free with my purchase. It's super exciting. I love free samples. I love coupons and I love free samples. Like chances are if I'm shopping somewhere, if I don't get free samples and I can't use a coupon, I just won't go there unless it's like food, but I love food. What else is there? It came with this mascara. I have never used their brand of mascara, so I am curious to see how it works, but like it's pink, so that's cool. It also came with a poreless face primer. This stuff is pretty good. I've used it before. Normally I use the Maybelline Baby Face if I want to use like a pore refining like gel primer, but this stuff is good too, and it's super tiny. It also came with a brush, which is like crazy. Like I'm not used to getting free brushes from makeup stores, and it has this little divot in it, so it's like really comfy to hold. The design is very ergonomic. So I'll probably test it out with those little makeup shades when I decide to use those, or the eyeshadow shades. Yeah. And then it came with an eye primer too. I already used this. It's not on right now, but I did use it. But it's kind of like the old Too Faced eyeshadow insurance. Not like the festival one, but when it was like shimmery. I don't know if you can see that or not. No, you can't really see that. It's like right there. But it's like a really pretty like shimmery champagne color. So I'm sure if I were to use like a shimmer shade over it or like metallic, it would just make it pop really, really nicely. What else is in here? Ooh, there is a lip gloss. That's a cute color. I like that. And a lip oil. That's cool. Like, I just love how like mini and compact everything is. Because I can like take it to the bar with me, because when I go out dancing and I go to the clubs and stuff, like I don't like to bring like a big purse with me because I like to dance, and a big bag's get in the way. So this will, honestly, I could just fit this in my bra and it would be fantastic, perfect size. Is that everything in here? Yeah, that's everything in here. But yeah, all that was like free with my purchase, so that's awesome. I also got the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte. I used this for the first time when I went on a cruise to Mexico, and this over me baking my face literally made my makeup stay on for like 2 days straight, which I know is kind of gross, but like I was with my sugar daddy and like I wanted to look like a perfect little doll the entire time. And this held my makeup on until I wanted to wash it off the next day and redo it while he was sleeping, because that's just what I do. When I'm on dates, I don't do that around my friends. I wash my makeup off at night like a normal person, but like, you know, sugar baby things. I also got the e.l.f. HD powder. I didn't like this the first time I used it until I figured out how to use it to make it work for my skin. After I bake my face, I put like a really light layer of this over it, like with a brush as I'm dusting off like the excess setting powder. And it's such a fine texture that it kind of just like seeps in and stops my makeup from cracking, and also does a good job of just stopping like any oil or sweat from like messing up my makeup. I love this stuff, and it's like super inexpensive because it's e.l.f. And then, let's see, I also got this Essence Juicy Tube Gloss. I love these. I have these in like 5 different colors. They're just a cute little gloss. They all smell really good. They have like that pretty like juicy plumping effect. They aren't sticky, and they last a decent bit. They're also hydrating, so like if I don't have like a lip balm with me for some reason, I have one of these, like it does the trick. And then what else is there? There's also the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour wear. This is actually 24-hour wear. I put this on top of the Maybelline, what is it? The like 24-hour Super Stay foundation if I need my makeup to like last a really, really long time. Or if I'm doing like a photo shoot where I'm gonna be like sweating and under lights. Like, this stuff is freaking amazing. It blends out beautifully. I have yet to use it with any products that messed with like the texture or made it like crack. I have oily skin and this just, it works so well. I love it. Highly recommend to anyone who has like really oily skin. It's also waterproof. It is like totally waterproof if you set it. Like, I have gone swimming with it on and it just stays. There is also, I already used this too. The Tarte eyeshadow or eyelash glue. I have mixed feelings about this. I noticed that when I put this on like over my eyeshadow, like if I was wearing heavy eyeshadow or heavy liner and I put my lashes on at the last step, it doesn't stay that well. I don't know if it's just because I use so many products on my eyes or whatever, but I noticed that if I just put this on bare skin and then put my lashes on and then do my eye makeup afterwards, it will stay all day. It's great. I don't think I'll buy it again. I'll probably just use the Duo because that works just fine. And the Duo Black, I feel, works a little better over my eye makeup anyway, just because I use so much black product. But it's not bad. And if you're the type of person who wears like just lashes a lot and like not a lot of like eye makeup, you might like this. Like, I'll probably use this in the summertime if I ever am just like wearing only lashes. Let's see what else. Next there is, let's do this one. So this is one of my favorite sunscreens. It is the Pacifica Mineral Bronzing Sunscreen Coconut Glow. This stuff you have to finesse a little bit. I found that it stops my skin from burning. I don't really burn that much anyway. Like, I'm Puerto Rican and Sicilian. Once I'm out in the sun, I usually just tan really easily. But I do burn on my shoulders. So I'll usually use like a higher SPF on my shoulders and layer it with this. But the cool thing about this, other than the fact that it smells freaking amazing and it's like vegan and cruelty free and whatever, is that it's bronzing. So it's tinted. Let's see if I can open it and just show you guys. I have beauty lights, so this will not be that accurate of a representation. Maybe it will be. I don't know. But it's tinted. So like, if I'm doing a photo shoot outside, I will usually put this all over my entire body because it creates a really pretty like airbrush effect. Yeah. Okay, let me like rub this into my skin. You can see it on my arm. It's a little dark for me right now, but it creates such a pretty like natural bronzy glow, and it looks like I airbrushed my arm. Like, it does a good job of like hiding like redness and imperfections, which is always great. I do have to be a little bit careful with it though, because since it's tinted, it can kind of mute the color of my tattoos. But like, normally I'll just like wipe it away, and then I have like a sunscreen stick that I usually use on my tattoos specifically, and then I'll just use that stuff everywhere else. But like, I don't know if you can see, yeah, in comparison, just the color of my arm looks so much more like even and nice on the one I use the sunscreen on. And it smells like coconut water. It is so good. It is amazing. The only other thing is like the nozzle gets clogged kind of easily, but like I usually just clean it out with a little Q-tip after I use it, and like it's fine. But yeah, I love this stuff. It's super great. It's by Pacifica. They have really good sun care and like after sun care. And then there's also more sunscreen for different things. I use SPF 70 on my shoulders because it's the only part of my body that burns. And then I use SPF 15 when I want to tan. on like everywhere else. I love the Sunbum sunscreens. They smell like bananas. They're great. They do a good job of protecting the skin. And I also just like to have like a low SPF one for if I'm just out running errands, and a high SPF for if I decide to wear fishnets in the summertime, so I don't end up with like really awkward fishnet tan lines. And then there's one more thing. I got this because it was on sale. I actually have like a fox tan order on the way. I love this brand. This is my favorite brand of tanning product of all time. Partially because it's fox themed and I love foxes, partially because it works freaking amazing. I don't know what they put in it, but like they have this like priming stuff that you put on a few days before you want to tan, and it just like helps increase your natural melanin production. So when you go out in the sun and use their like secondary products like this one, like tanning happens so freaking fast. Like, oh my gosh, 10 out of 10. But this is one I haven't tried yet. This is their Watermelon Rapid Shimmer Accelerator Mist. It was on sale for like way off. I think I paid like $9 for this, and their products are usually around like 20 something. So I have this to try. I will update y'all of how this works when I do actually like go lay out by my pool. But I'm very excited to use this. I love shimmer products. I love their sun products. And this seems pretty lightweight in comparison to their candy oil that I usually use. But yeah, all their products smell really good. They're cruelty-free and amazing. They work really well. They're a good brand. Highly recommend. But yeah, that's about it. That is all I got from Ulta. That is like my final thoughts on the products. That's part of what I have on my face right now, and I hope that I could give y'all like some useful information, or you just like enjoyed watching the video in general. Let me know if you guys liked it, if you want to see more like hauls, or like know more about like my makeup and all that stuff. And I hope that you have an amazing day. Okay, bye.